My name is Rao Jamal Singh Rajput, and I am alumni of NAPA. I'm doing direction from last 3 years. I am the only storyteller that who is doing Rajasthani style in different dialect of Rajasthan in Pakistan. That I called it that style the Kawar Katha, and now I am doing the direction of play Manto. I just chose Manto just because of the writing style and the just like I love to work on Chekhov plays. I love to work on Brecht plays. That's why I choose to work on Mantos. Manto have a different dimension and color on every character of Manto play. We can have hundreds of layers. You can play a single character in many ways, in many dimensions. So I love to work where I can explore my direction, where I can play the light, where I choose where I feel to liberty from myself. Yes. हाँ, मैं वाकई में मैंने ये इसलिए चूज़ की बिकॉज़ मंटो की कहानियों के बारे में लोगों को बहुत सारी ये बातें हैं कि ये मंटो की शायद प्ले नहीं की जा सकती, और मैं वो जानबूझ के भी सोच के कॉन्शियसली आई चूज़ दैट स्टोरीज़ कि जहाँ पर जो प्ले ना की गई हों, having a specific spark on that stories, on writer. Just like Sarmad Sabai have wrote a play Hash. At that time, that play Samina Ahmed and Talat Hussain Sahab played that character in Sarmad Sabai's plays. But after the play, when this play was staged in Lahore, that was banned just because of martial law. I love to work on that play. I don't know, but that plays are just like a dark room. मेरी प्रोडक्शन में 4 चीज़ें मैं एक साथ मिक्स करता हूँ. एक तो ये कि इसमें मैं एक्टिंग रखता हूँ, डांस रखता हूँ, म्यूज़िक रखता हूँ. इसके अलावा मेरी जो लाइट डिज़ाइनिंग है वो बहुत मुख्तलिफ होती है. आई नेवर प्ले any production on general lights. I choose to work on scene by scene. I dramatically design that light scene by scene. Just like the sharp light, fade out, fade in, fade out, fade in, fade out, fade in. That create the ambience, imaginative world for the audience. And second thing, the dance and the live music create, I think, use different senses of audience: listening, watching, imagination, and feel of love or hate. New directors, I just advise to them, they should know the acting methods, they should know the production, they should know the light design, because now in Pakistan we as a director working at the same time in 3 dimensions. But in a Western world, they have light designer, they have production manager, they have director. But in Pakistan, the director itself doing the light designing, the production, the set designing, each and everything. So if you want to be a director, you should know the quality and the use of these 3 different dimensions: light, set, and direction.